What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook, Spinelli. Yes, I am the self-proclaimed wing king and the... That's right, guys. Somebody sent me a message and told me, why do I have to continue to say I'm the Prince of Lemon Pepper Wings? They said, we get it. So you know what? I decided not to say it. I'm gonna show you guys my shirt. Maybe it'll make this person happy. But then you know what? I started thinking about it. Why can't I call myself the Prince of Lemon Pepper Wings? So you know what I thought about? And I said to myself, I said, I am the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. And if you don't like it, learn how to make lemon pepper wings. That's it. That's the fix. Learn how to make lemon pepper wings. Now, let's get back to business, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make Cajun pork nuggets. Man, this is a delicious recipe. You're going to enjoy it. Flavorful, simple, easy. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today. We have some boneless pork loins here. We're going to use 2 eggs, some black pepper. We're going to use some flour, buttermilk, parsley, some crushed red pepper flakes, some of that slap your mama Cajun seasoning, some garlic salt, and some onion powder. So these are the ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've already measured out our ingredients for this recipe. So in this bag, I have 2 cups of flour. This bag, 1 cup of flour. I have 2 eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk. I have 1.5 to 2 pounds of boneless pork loin. I've already seasoned it with about a teaspoon of that slap your mama seasoning. Right here, I have 2 teaspoons additional of slap your mama seasoning, a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of onion powder. So these are the ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started. This is very simple, guys, very easy, and it's going to be delicious. So let's continue. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to add our eggs to our buttermilk. Very simple, and we're just going to give it a good whisk. All right, so this is what we have, and let's go ahead and move on to the next step. All right, so what we're gonna do here is just go ahead and combine all these ingredients into your flour in no particular order, guys. So just go ahead and start dumping them in here. I got my slap your mama seasoning, the parsley, the onion powder, garlic salt, guys, and our black pepper. So what we're gonna do right here, we're just going to kind of seal that up, and we're just gonna mix this around. All right, just real quick to get everything combined in here. All right, so let's move on. All right, guys, so what I did was I just took that, the 1 cup of flour, and I put it in this bowl. I think it's gonna be easier for me to do that. So what we wanna do is we're gonna take about, I guess say, what, about 10 pieces, 10 to 12. All right, and we're just going to get these bad babies coated. All right, and then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna drop these in our buttermilk mixture. Drop a couple of them. I'm gonna drop probably about 6 of them in here. Let's get these bad babies in there and then off into here. All right, so I think that's it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna seal this bag up like this, and we're just going to, you know, do a little shake and bake it like that. You guys know how I like to do it. All right, and once we get them out of there, finish that, what we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and I'm gonna add them to this rack to prepare to fry them. But we wanna go through the steps of the rest of them first so we can, you know, put them in back-to-back batches when we get them over here to the fryer. All right, so now we finished battering and coating all our pork nuggets. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to head over here to this fryer. I've already got it preheated to 375 degrees, and we're gonna drop those bad babies in there for 4 to 6 minutes. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to that fryer. All right, so we got them in the basket now, so we're gonna let these bad babies drop. And again, we're gonna cook them for 4 to 6 minutes, and we'll be right back. All right, so now our pork nuggets are done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put them here on our warming rack here. Oh man, look how crispy and good. Oh man, those things are good. They look good. Take a look at that, guys. I almost want to try one right now. It looks so good. All right, so I'm gonna put these in the cooling rack, and then we're going to get our second batch down here right now. And I did let these cook, since they're pretty thick, I let them cook for about 6 minutes. You shouldn't need them in there no longer than that. All right, let's get that down. All right, now I'll be right back. All right, guys, so our second batch is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the cooling rack also. Well, our warming rack, like that. Oh man, look at that, guys, look at that. Oh. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is what we have. We have our pork nuggets here. Take a look at that. Nice size pork nuggets. Oh man, these things look so delicious. Look here, you can see all the seasoning in that. You can see, look at that. You can see the parsley, the Cajun seasoning, the pepper. Oh man, looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all plated up, put some clothes on it because it is naked, and I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys. Cajun fried pork nuggets. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a delicious recipe. These bad babies are so crispy. They're juicy. I already tasted one off camera. I'm gonna taste another one for you though. If you need these ingredients, go ahead, check the video description below. The measurements are also there. If you need that Wing King t-shirt, go ahead, click those links in the video description. You can go ahead and get your Wing King t-shirt. And if it's your first time here, guys, go ahead, consider subscribing. And if you haven't already hit that thumbs up, go ahead, hit that thumbs up, like the video. It really helps me out. And I appreciate all the support that I've been getting. So guys, until then, oh, I told you I'm fixing to try one of these out. So we're not going anywhere just yet. All right, guys, so let me taste one. Let me taste this one right here. This one look like it has a lot of, let me do one thing. Let me go ahead and cut it open for you guys so you guys can see what's on the inside of this thing. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. See how good that is? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna grab another one of these big ones here. Look how big that one is. Go ahead and cut that one open too for you. Guys, look at that. This is delicious. Dip it in some of this sauce right here I have right here. So until then, guys, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything, and I am out. Peace.